Hello everyone, welcome to VMS class. In this program, I am going to explain the program to check the given number is palindrome or not. So what is palindrome here? So palindrome is nothing but, for example, if you have a number, let's say input 1 to 1. So first you have to reverse this number. So reverse the number. If you reverse this number, again you will get 1 to 1. So if your original number, if the input equal to the reverse, then we can say that it is a palindrome. For example, I have input 1, 2, 3. The reverse of this number is 3 to 1. But if you see that this input is not equal to the reverse, right? So that's why we can say that this number is not a palindrome. So the central logic for identifying the number is a palindrome or not is nothing but you have to reverse the number. So you can check our program number 20. So the program number 20 is going to find out the reverse of a given number. Now this is the program which we have discussed in program 20, program to reverse a given number. Now in this, I am going to do a small modification. This is the program to find the given number is palindrome or not. Okay, palindrome or not. Now I am going to take the number from the user. This line is same. Once you collected this number, so let's copy this number to another variable. Let's take original here. I am copying this number to the original variable. So the reason is I have to find out the reverse. Then this reverse number should compare with the original number, right? So that is the reason I am copying this original number to some other variable. Okay, because this number is going to modify here, right? That is the reason I am going to copy this number to the original variable. Now the reverse equal to 0, and this is the logic for finding the reverse. Then you got the reverse number in the REV variable, right? Now I am going to compare if this reverse number equal to original. Okay, if these two are matched, then we can print a statement. The given number is palindrome. Okay, else print the given number is not a palindrome. So very simple logic. If you find the reverse, just to compare the reverse with the original number so that we can say the number is a palindrome or not. So let's execute this program. I am going to give a number 1 to 1. See that the given number is a palindrome. So let's execute for one more test case. I am giving 1 to 3. You can see that the given number is not a palindrome. Okay. So very simple logic. First you have to find the reverse of the number, and this reverse, if it is equal to the original input, then we can say it is a palindrome. Otherwise it is not a palindrome. Okay. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on computer education. If you want the full course of Python programming, so please find the link in the description below. Thank you.